All right, folks, take a look at that chandelier, huh? That is something else. We installed that yesterday. Well, John and Chris installed it yesterday. I was doing plumbing, and that is a 19-foot high ceiling. And thought it was 18, but it's actually 19. So we had a 16-foot step ladder in here. I got up there a little bit and did some stuff. Wasn't that scary. I thought being on a 16-foot step ladder would be scary, but wasn't at all. And I've been on a 12-footer and a 14-footer, and I thought the 16 would be just a little too high, but it was okay. Look at that. Amazing. That is one. You should see this thing at night. Now, I probably won't be able to do a video at night, but I won't be over here. But that is a beautiful chandelier, folks. Amazing. We are at the townhome remodel, and we're going to do just a little bit of plumbing and then get all our stuff out of here. This thing is pretty well wrapped up, finished up. Look at that thing. Let's get over here. Sorry, folks. Well, can't really see it. That's it. Oh. Anyway, folks. Is that not pretty? We'll see ya.